Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chris with Digital REM. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to cover how to set up your link tree for your website or your link tree for your social media to get to your website or the different applications that you're using all within one place. So you essentially, the goal is to be able to put your a link in your bio, and then that link in your bio has different buttons that allows people to get the different profiles that you have. So if you have a Facebook, and if you have a Instagram, and if you have a website, and if you have another page and another page and another page and another page, and all these pages, it's all within this link tree that you can click. One click on your profile bio, and then that opens up a page that shows all your different buttons where they can click and get to your different places. So with that being said, we're just gonna hop right into it. All right, so we're pretty much running this from scratch. As you see on my screen, this is Linktree. You can look at the little icon. So if your screen looks like this, you're in the right place. Boom. Get started for free. Yeah, sure. And of course, with pages like this, I'm not going to share my information. So we're just gonna, you're gonna have to mind these pages are not going to be included. So I'm gonna just pull this off to the side. This is like my personal information, so I won't be sharing this part. I really want to just share the setup part. Okay. We just need to confirm a few details, and you'll be managing your links in no time, right? Name, Digital REM, of course. Digital REM. Tell us about yourself. Creative. Education, digital media, agency, business, arts and entertainment, independent small business. I'm not a robot. Save them details. We're gonna go with the free plan right now, because I don't know what I'm getting into. All right, thanks for signing up. Pretty easy, actually. Pretty simple, pretty simple. All right, so we want to add our links now. So first link, first and most important link is Digital REM website. Digital REM.com. We're going to go Digital REM home. I wonder how many links do we get. We're going to go, because I want to do Digital REM consulting. All right, Digital REM Consulting, and that's going to be, I'm going to pull up my Digital REM page, make sure I have all of the right links, because I want to have Dream TV definitely in here. So we're going to have production, consulting, and shop. So production, consulting, and shop. Hope I get like at least 7 links. I'll be good. Right? Boom. And we could probably just get rid of the first part. All right. Add new link. Digital REM production. Add new link. Let's just do the titles first. Digital REM shop. Add new link. Dream TV. Boom. I think that's all of the links I really wanted to get in here. Dream TV. Add new link. Digital REM catalog. We're gonna do the full catalog. Boom. All right. One more link. Digital REM members area. All right. So in essence, this is like a almost, I wouldn't say a duplicate, but almost a duplicate of my actual website. What the goal is, so when I create content on social media or create content anywhere else, I can say, okay, just go to the link, click the link, and the link will have buttons that you could just click on and then blast you right to the actual page that I'm referring to. So that'll make it a lot easier instead of being able to just say go to digitalrem.com, and then when you go to digitalrem.com, you have to navigate and try to figure out where to go. Now I'm gonna say go to my link tree, you'll hit the button and it'll send you to that page on digitalrem.com, which is very valuable. So we're gonna rock like that. Boom. All right. And if we have to set more up, then we just set more up. Right? So boom, Digital REM production needs to be next. This URL here. Boom, that one's done. Digital REM shop needs to be next. Shop's still working on though, but hey, we're gonna put it up here. Boom. Because the shop tells you about the shop, but it doesn't tell you necessarily where to purchase, like how to purchase. The catalog is where everything is at that you can purchase. So we're working on the shop right now, but that's going to inspire us to continue to work on that shop. Make sure that's good for y'all. Turn all the URLs here. Boom. Now we just want to do one more, and that will be the. Actually, this one needs to change because it's live. That URL needs to change. We'll change it in the site, but for right now, we'll just enter what we have. Right? Boom. Change that later on down the line. So this will be our essentially what it looks like our link tree is going to look like. So we have the home, the consulting, production, shop, Dream TV, Digital REM catalog, and then the Digital REM members area. Boom. I actually want to change the order, right? So let's just change the order. We want the members area. We want it to kind of a progression, just like it would be in real life. Like you have the consulting, you have the cash home at the top, you have the consulting, you have the production, you have the shop, you have the catalog, you want a Dream TV, and then the members area, just like that. Boom. All right. All right, it looks like I have it gives you a link right here to where to copy and paste your link tree. So we're gonna do the appearance, see what the appearance looks like. All right, we wanna create let's see what the spray looks like. No. Yeah. Nah. So these look like all pro, like you can get them all fancy with the pro version. I don't necessarily need them to be fancy. I just need them to kind of go with my branding. We're gonna go with the branding, right? They got it where you could change the buttons and all this stuff and make it all nice, which that's cool. Because it's mainly what I'm thinking is for Instagram, I'm gonna keep it simple and white. White background, black words. Keep it real simple, right? Boom. Looks like we need to change our avatar somehow, so we're gonna do that. Pick an image. Oh, it's right there. Boom. Pick an image. Keep it simple. Hey, that's what we talking about. What? That's what we talking about. So what we want to do is select the file. So we have our branding files that we use. But we want to do the Digital REM square-ish logo, the tall logo. Boom. We'll do the tall one. And that'll actually go with the black. So that'll work. Save that. Upload. Think that'll keep it simple? Boom. Right there. Boom. Now it looks consistent actually with our brand, because it's not necessarily black, but it's similar. Black with the, so we got it close. It's close enough. Boom. All right. So that works. That's how we're gonna work with that. So let's look at the settings real quick. What are the settings like? Support banner, show the support. Social support for any important cause with the profile banner. You can have only one. And I think that's about it. It looks like that's about it, because we don't have the pro version, but what are the pro options? We don't have that version. All right. To publish your profile, please verify your account by clicking the link in the digitalrem.com. So we're going to do that. So we're going to refresh this page. Maybe it just needs to be refreshed. Boom. So we can share this now. Let's share this. Copy Linktree URL. Boom. We're going to copy that URL and we're going to put it on our Instagram, where you see it like a mobile version. So this is our shop. So you want to click on your page. Then you want to get edit profile, and then currently we have the Digital REM shop right here, right website right here. So we just want to replace that with the Linktree. Boom, and that's exactly how you want to do it. So you just save profile. Boom. So now that we have it, let's go test it out. Right. Let's test this out. So let's say we go to our profile. Let's go to the Linktree. Now that Linktree pulls up like so. Let's test out our links. So we're gonna go to home. Looks like the home is working. We're gonna go to consulting. Looks like the consulting is working. We're gonna go to production. And when you're doing web development, you want to make sure your buttons work. You want to click through your buttons. Want to do all that. I got to continue to build out these pages, but again, we're building the foundation. Production, shop, catalog. That's not right. Catalog's not right. Catalog. Maybe I clicked the wrong one. Yeah, that's Dream TV. Boom, that's wrong. So again, we're gonna go back in. Well, okay, so we know catalog's not right. Dream TV. That looks right. Dream TV is right. Boom. Digital members area. That looks right. Boom. All right. So we only have one wrong, and that's exactly why we have to double check and check it. Make sure it's right, right? Right. So we're gonna go back to the links. We need to grab that catalog link. Full catalog. Yep, it looks like I didn't put it's the catalog in here. Boom, catalog. Just like that. Is that easy to update? Really, that's very simple. It's a very simple application here. So now maybe, will I would have to refresh it any type of way, or does it just automatically do it for me? Maybe I have to refresh it some type of way. Or refresh this page. There we go. Catalog. Boom. Catalog is available. All right. So the link tree is set up. So we're going to do this for all the different profiles. We're going to do this for Digital Room Production. We're doing this for Dream Bigger, my personal page. We're doing this for Digital Room Consulting. This will all be available right there at the top of in the bio. So you'll know exactly where the link, when I say click the link, boom, get the Dream TV. You know how to get the Dream TV because it's right there in the link tree of the page. There's link tree at the bottom. Yeah, it says link tree at the bottom. Maybe you have to get the pro version to get the link tree removed. Let's see what comes in the pro version. If users want their work links to work harder, advanced customization buttons, premium themes, advanced analytics, email SMS collection. Okay, that might be something to look into, like, because then people can sign up to your membership through your page, maybe through your link tree. Video and highlighted priority links, add social icons, advanced tracking, pixel retargeting, remove link tree logo. That's what I was asking about. Integration with MailChimp, Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and more. Priority access. How much is this? $6 a month. That's not bad. Again, I have to learn more about Linktree, but this is how you set up your Linktree in the beginning. So we're just gonna hop out of this scene, right? We're gonna wrap this up. So essentially, that's how you set your Linktree up in the beginning. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to this. Make sure you like and subscribe to this page for one. But if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to this page for two. Again, I'm just not trying to make a little joke because it's getting kind of late. But with that being said, hope this was beneficial to you. I hope this helps you move on to the next steps of your production and really get people engaged with your content. So your social media, being able to get people engaged with your content and how to set it up in a proper way where it kind of relates to your website or relates to whatever else you have going on. So really, just really getting in here, learning about the platform, and really getting started. So I hope this is beneficial to you. Y'all take care. Later, y'all. Peace.